Dear student, the title of the experiment today is to find out the velocity ratio, mechanical advantage and efficiency of first system of pulley. In first system of pulley, the velocity ratio is always fixed, that is to the power n, where n is the numbers of movable pulleys. As you are seeing that in first system of pulleys there are three movable pulley, 1 2 3, and this fourth pulley is fixed. When this center, suppose this center moves x meter, then this rope or string will also move x meter and it will also move x meter, mean total length of moving of string is 2x. 2x in first pulley case, in first pulley, and in case of second pulley the rope will move 2 into 2x. In case of third, it will move 2 into 4x, मतलब 8x. And this 8x, it will also be 8x. 8x mean to the power 3x. Then what is the velocity ratio? Distance moved by the effort. So distance moved by the effort to the power 3x, and distance moved by the load x oblique x से x कट के velocity ratio रह जाएगा to the power 3, which is 8. And this in the case of first system of pulley, the velocity ratio always is fixed. What is the mechanical advantage? As I have already told you that it is the ratio of load and effort, and efficiency is the ratio of mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. Now, how we find the mechanical advantage? Suppose there is the load which is to be lifted 1200 kg. This 1200 kg will divide in two parts, which it will become 6 and 600 kg. And again this 600 kg will divide 300 and 300 kg. This 300 kg again will divide 150 kg and 150 kg, and this 150 kg is here. So it means if load which is to be lifted is 1200 kg, then we have to apply the effort 150 kg, mean mechanical advantage load 1200 kg oblique effort 150 kg. Eight. So what are you seeing? If there is no friction, then velocity ratio and mechanical advantage always the same. I mean to say, if efficiency is 100% over 1, then velocity ratio and mechanical advantage will be always the same. But it is not possible that there is no any friction, so there will be some friction. Without friction, system will not exist. Then you have to note first reading. The model of first system of pulley in the lab is not available. That's why we will take the reading on the board. So you have to note first reading. Load lifted 1200 kg. Effort applied जो 150 था, ये इसमें 2 kg का मैंने फ्रिक्शन जोड़ दिया है, ठीक है. देन इट विल बिकम 7.8. सेकेंड रीडिंग में लोड लिफ्टेड 1600 kg स्पोज है ये, ठीक है. वी आर स्पोजिंग. एफर्ट अप्लाइड 202 kg with friction. Then it will become 7.9. And third reading is load lifted 2200 kg. Effort applied 277 kg. ठीक है, तो it will become 7.9. These three readings you have to take. And velocity ratio तो हमारी फिक्स है, मैकेनिकल एडवांटेज की हमारी आ गई, तो इसके बाद वी कैन कैलकुलेट आवर एफिशिएंसी. तो स्टूडेंट्स, if you did not understand, then you can see on YouTube and you can also repeat this video. And these three readings you have to note and calculate. Okay. So, thank you, dear student.